Solubility is a physical property that describes how much solute I need to dissolve in a certain amount of a solvent at a specific temperature in order to saturate a solution. So for example, solubility tells me how many grams of salt I need to saturate a solution made with 100 milliliters of water at 60 degrees Celsius. Now, I just mentioned that solubility is a physical property. That's because when I dissolve salt in water, I am not changing the identity of the salt nor the water. The atoms that make up salt molecules do not change when I dissolve it in water, nor do the atoms that make up water molecules